Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add the PC temperatures or GPU and CPU usage to your OLED on a SteelSeries Apex 7 keyboard. And to do this, first thing you will need to get is GG from SteelSeries. It's the software that allows us to customize the keyboard, and you can download it from SteelSeries website. Now go for the engine. Inside we want to go for the gear and make sure that the Apex 7 is connected. If not, try to replugging the USB sticks to your PC. Then when it's connected, select apps and scroll down a bit, find system monitor. Here we can go and configure it. You can add any temperature units, GPU usage, RAM usage, or CPU usage. Oh, there was CPU here, sorry, I didn't notice. And if we enable it, you can see the OLED on the bottom right corner, and it shows our GPU or CPU or RAM usage as well as the temperatures. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.